Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use VPN for Netflix. Do you know more about using a VPN for Netflix? The quickest way to fix this is to sign up for a VPN service that gives you unlimited access to servers in different parts of the world. The next step is to see if any of those servers are able to bypass Netflix region locking. You'll just have to tune in to get the full explanation. Attempting to use a virtual private network or VPN to access Netflix and getting you seem to be using an unblocker or proxy. Please turn off any of these services and try again. If you experience any problems, please disable these services and try again. This is disappointing but true, as Netflix actively works to prevent users from accessing Netflix content that is not available in their location. Example, American users accessing Netflix from outside the United States. But if you think a virtual private network or VPN can't be used to access Netflix, you'd be wrong. Follow along as I demonstrate a simple method for achieving this goal. Anyone is capable of using a VPN to access Netflix. All you have to do is choose a VPN service that ticks all of your boxes in terms of speed, functionality, and ease of use. Netflix is always testing new methods to prevent VPN users from accessing the library. Because of this, you need a VPN service with enough servers and resources to find ways to get around Netflix geo-blocking. You should therefore select service providers that have access to these tools. Although PureVPN is one of my favorite services because of the abundance of its US-based servers and its smart play function, it is not your only option. Now let's return to our previously laid out instructional format. First, so you've decided to subscribe to a VPN and have located the compatible software. In my case, it's PureVPN. Head over to purevpn.com first. Then from it, select What PureVPN from the menu. Look now, and you'll notice that the OS you're using is entirely up to you. That being said, I'm going to pick Get PureVPN. To open the file, simply double-click it after it has finished downloading. Please read the terms and conditions and choose I agree if you accept them. To continue, select the installation option. The installation process has begun. Now that the program has been successfully installed, please restart your computer so we can start using it. Launch the PureVPN client by double-clicking its icon in the Downloads folder. For example, if you want to watch Netflix in the United States, you'll need to select a server in the United States after you've signed in and completed the installation process. By browsing the list of available servers, you will find the server with a single available slot in the chosen country by browsing the list of available servers. For the time being, join any of them for the time being. You need to log in into Netflix to make sure you're searching the correct library and to locate the missing episode you missed. Like the American version of Twin Peaks found on Netflix. Test to determine if everything is functioning properly. You can't take this from me. Watch Twin Peaks now streaming on Netflix. If you continue to see the VPN error message, it is recommended that you try a different server in the country of your choice. That's how easy it is, right? The streaming service Netflix is now available. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. You can find all the links below, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel for more tutorials.